just been bad. Nicki Minaj screaming in my mirror. Oh my God, they hit. You all see that? Oh my gosh.
I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night till the sunrise. Pop back cool, get ready for the ride. Gonna feel good. Gonna feel good. Gonna feel. Holy moly, guacamole in my pockets. What a blessing. Got it on me. I got options. Real stepper. Check the shoes, get it poppin'. Eating good.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back again with another banger. Let's go, baby. We are on the way out to the race spot right now for the first official day of racing. Let's go. Hopefully we can go out there and give the gap to some people. Maybe even get the gap. Nah, what am I talking about, boy? We don't lose. Taking no L's. None. At least I ain't gonna post it. No L's get posted. We get dubs only, baby. You feel me? Can't be posting them because then, you know what I'm saying? Then it happened. Because it's on video. Let's go, baby. My man out here, he be whipping this S1K. He be straight whipping it. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Straight scoop. Downtown and everything. He's on the interstate, man. Me and him's probably gonna get out at some point tonight and play a little bit. He's talking about going out and cutting up in traffic, maybe. Cut up just a little bit. You feel me? Look at him out here showing off the cruise control. Man, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? That'd be alright. I'm gonna have to give me some of that. Look at him, he's chilling. Chilling like a villain, baby. What is that? Oh my God, there's a three-wheeled scooter. Ha! What? Have you all seen those like three-wheeled motorcycles? I lightweight want to ride one, bro. I want to see just how it handles. That was rough. I don't know how I didn't rack them and stack them right there, boys. That'd have been bad. Man, I am too damn happy. We're down here in freaking Miami. Check that damn thing, y'all. Lincoln Continental. Yeah. My boy Easy up here with that race gas. Yeah, we ain't got no jacket on or nothing, boy. Enjoying this beautiful Miami weather. I do have a long sleeve shirt on and a hoodie in the backpack. So just in case we're out later tonight, you know, don't make it back to the crib, I'll at least have something to be able to try to stay a little bit warm. You feel me? Because that's what I need to try to stay warm. We're straight cruising, mobbing, my boy. Look at that daggone plane coming in again. That's not gonna get old. I feel like I could move down there and ride every day and never get tired of that. I've always thought that's so cool when you're like riding or something and there's something just massive like that flying through the sky to land, and it's probably got a couple hundred people on it. Look at how slow it just comes in too. Like, that is so cool, bro. Like, what? Do you all ever just think about like how crazy it is, how far like human technology has come? It's insane to me. What all we're capable of now compared to what we were, I don't know, a couple thousand years ago. That's something I want to ask you all. Who do you think built the pyramids and how do you think they were built? I'm not gonna lie to you, no cap. I feel like some aliens or something was in on that, boy. Ain't no way. They say we couldn't build them nowadays, or it would be really, really damn hard. I don't know if I believe that, man. We build skyscrapers nowadays, you know what I mean? Like, how you gonna tell me we can build something like a couple thousand feet tall? We can't build something into a big triangle. That could have just been bad. Porsche Panamera, Carrera, Oh my gosh, can I say it right? Sorry, I got Nicki Minaj screaming in my damn ear. Now I got still tipping on faux. Man, what a view that is. It's a cool view. I got it for the look here. Pretty damn good for a 600, I'll say. I know I've not even been doing that many wheelies here lately, man. Getting used to being back on the R1 for one, for two, getting used to being in Miami. Completely different place, brand new shoes. Sorry, we're gonna throw it up some more today though. We're gonna throw it up some more today. Got to. That's a clean old Honda back there. Getting excited, my boy. Having fun. Yeah, having fun. Yeah, having fun. Yes. Get in front of me. I don't have mirrors. You have to stay in front. Holy shit. What the hell just happened there? They just locked their brakes up or something. Oh, they hit. Oh my God, they hit. Do a wheelie. Got a bike up here in the back. That's a good race. What we got right here? What we got right here? Hell yeah. Get in front of me. That way I don't know if he runs out of damn gas. Get in front of me for me to know. Friggin' Everglades, bro. Like, what? It's on telling what I was over there. All kinds of crap. He's strapping up. Yeah, he's strapping up, baby. Oh, damn! Damn, that's a good run! Come on! Drag on, boys! We must be getting closer. We gotta be. Let's go. We are at the race spot, baby. You know what that means. We're getting ready to hand out the smoke to these boys. Yes, sir. Watch them give the gap, get the gap, all that. We're looking, we got cars on cars out here just to watch. My boy, let's go. We're gonna catch y'all with the races.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces.
What the hell, bro? You ready?
I need a gas station.
I know.
Like that.
Wait on him. Hey, he needs gas, bad.
Huh?
Yes. Well, you all see that? Oh my gosh. We didn't get to see no damn racing. That's how that went down. Well, that sucks. Yeah, that really sucks.
They said the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned.